In this video, we talk about ZTE Nubia Red Magic 9 Pro. It's launched on November 2023. The dimensions of Red Magic 9 Pro: height 6.46 inches, width 3.01 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The weight is 229 grams. The build of Red Magic 9 Pro: front and back is glass and aluminium frame. The display of Red Magic 9 Pro: it comes with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.8 inch and 89.1% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1116 by 2480 pixels and the refresh rate is 120Hz. And it's come with 1600 nits peak of brightness. The protection of Red Magic 9 Pro: it's come with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The platform of Red Magic 9 Pro: it's come with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with octa-core Cortex X4 CPU, and the GPU of Red Magic 9 Pro is Adreno 750. The memory of Red Magic 9 Pro: it's come with 8 gigs, 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM and 256 by 12 gigs of ROM. No SD card support in this mobile. Let's go to the camera setup. It's come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro, and it's record 8K 30fps video with main cameras. And the front camera is under display with 16 megapixel. The battery of Red Magic 9 Pro: it's come with 6500 mAh battery with 80 watt fast wired charging, no wireless charging and no reverse charging in this mobile. Common than the feature of Red Magic 9 Pro: it's come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, built-in cooling fan, fingerprint under display, NFC, stereo speaker, headphone jack, UFS 4.0 and USB Type-C. And the price of Red Magic 9 Pro is $749.